Hey guys, Rex here. So guess what? You know all Pokemons and Pokemon Go's? Okay, everyone. I know how to sound like a Pokemon. Only 3 Pokemon. Squirtle, Charmander, and oh no, I'll say 2. I'll say 2 of these. Okay, but first let's wait for morning. Let's go to bed. Okay, so let's get to bed. Okay. La, 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 la. Okay, what was I? Okay, now I know where. Okay, let's go. Okay, and now I was talking about. Okay, let's talk about. Okay, what should we go first? Charmander or Squirtle? Okay, Squirtle, I guess. Okay. Squirtle. Oh, god damn it. Okay, you see, I'm not using any other device, I promise. Okay, Pinky promise. Okay, look, I can't even pick up my promise because I have my mic off. Okay. And now, first one. Charmander. Okay. Charmander. I don't know. Sorry for the background. I'm not using it, I guess. But I don't know how you say that sound right, but I guess that's how you sounded. Squirtle. Yeah, I can make Pokemon sound. Wait. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. I don't know. Bulbasaur. I guess. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wait, are you guys saying you want me to say Pikachu? I know. I saw this guy's video on YouTube. He looks really cool with the videos. The guy, I don't know YouTube name, but he made all the Pokemon sound like Kirby. I don't know. I was about to say Kirby, but no. He could do all the voices. I know. All the voices from all games, I guess. So yeah, go watch the channel if you know what Pikachu. But I just learned it at school. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rexy guy out.